Hey friend, today we are going to restock my taco seasoning. I just spent a little bit of time cleaning out and reorganizing and just making my spice cabinet super fresh, super clean, and this was empty. So I'm going to show you how we put it together. I will share where you can find the recipe, which is on my blog, fitmamarealfood.com, but I'll also put it fully down below too. So here are the ingredients that we need for our homemade taco seasoning, and it's empty, but we're about to fill that up. So the first thing that's going in is a 1/3 cup of chili powder. Next, we add the same amount, a 1/3 cup of cumin, and then the same amount again of garlic granules. My store didn't have any, so I got garlic powder this time, but it works just as well. And our quantities are decreasing a little bit. We've got a 1/4 cup of dried oregano. We've got a 1/4 cup of onion powder. And we've got a 1/4 cup of paprika going in. We have a smaller quantity of sea salt, so just 2 tablespoons, adding that in, and then we're going to mix everything up together. So now that we've got our taco seasoning all mixed up, we are going to add it into our taco seasoning container. I like to use a funnel because I'm always making messes. When your beef is just about done, you're going to add in 2 big tablespoons of the seasoning. Sometimes I add a little bit of water too, and then you're going to stir it up and have delicious taco meat. And there you are. It came together super quickly. Now you've got your own homemade taco and fajita seasoning. And you can make it whenever you need to. It makes a big batch so that you make it once, spend a couple minutes, and it's ready to go. Doesn't come with extra added ingredients like you might find with some packages at the grocery store. You know exactly what is in it, and you can make it how your family likes it too. The full recipe is down below, and you can also find it on fitmamarealfood.com. See you later.